Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. On this video, I will guide you how to get camera control features on any unsupported iPhone. The camera control feature in the iPhone 16 series. Generally about ways to customize or automate the camera's behavior for more flexibility and control over photo and video settings. Apple regularly introduces new camera control features with each iPhone release, and there may be specific improvements or new functionalities in the iPhone 16's camera system. But you can also get this camera control feature on all your iPhone devices easily. So you can experience the camera control feature without buying an iPhone 16 series. To enable camera control, connect your device to computer with USB cable. Then install Nugget app on computer. This Nugget app is a tool that you can use to activate several iOS features that are only available on the latest iPhones. So with Nugget, you can get any of the latest features, even if you get these features on an iPhone that is not supported or an old iPhone. Before running Nugget, make sure you have iTunes and Python installed on your computer. You can download iTunes and Python in Windows Store. Once installed, you can easily run Nugget on your computer. After that, wait until your iPhone is detected in the Nugget app. Then, go to Mobile Gestalt section. Then turn on Enable iPhone 16 Settings. By turning on this setting, you will get 16 settings features on your old iPhone. After that, go to Apply section. To apply the settings on your device, you need to Mobile Gestalt file from your iPhone. Go back to your iPhone again. Then add Save Mobile Gestalt shortcut on your iPhone. I will insert the shortcut link on description. Then run the shortcut. And save the Mobile Gestalt file on Files app. Open Files app, then find the Mobile Gestalt file that you saved earlier. And send the Mobile Gestalt file to your computer via email, WhatsApp, Discord, or any transfer file. After you sent the Mobile Gestalt, open Nugget app again. Select the Mobile Gestalt file on your computer, and the last, click Apply Changes. Your device will restart. After your iPhone turns on, you will see a display like this. That means iPhone 16 settings and camera controls are automatically installed on your iPhone. Select Camera Settings and select Camera Control. In this setting, you can choose which applications you want to activate camera control for. After that, go to Accessibility Settings. Then select Touch. Scroll down and select Back Tap. Set camera control double light press in double tap settings. Then set camera control on triple tap setting. After that, the camera control has been successfully set. To use camera control, tap the back of the iPhone 3 times to enter camera control. After that, tap twice on the back of your camera to activate the camera control settings. As you can see, camera control has been successfully enabled on your unsupported device. This means that this control camera functions for magnifier applications. But for the original camera on the iPhone, the camera control doesn't appear and doesn't work. Therefore, I use the Blackmagic Cam application, because camera control works for this application. Please just set the camera control settings to Blackmagic Cam. And do triple tap and double tap as shown. As you can see, camera control has been successfully enabled on your unsupported device. Okay? Thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below, so I will help you to get camera control on your unsupported iPhone. See you on the next video.